Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about fix DirectX function get device removed reason failed with error. Let's go ahead and do it. Search DX DIAG. Click here. Do we want to check the driver digital signed? Yes. Let this finished up. Okay, click on next page. Here are the problem found. You can easily solve. Here are no problems found for me. You can find any problems over here, and that's it. Exit. Go to search menu. Type check for updates. Click here. Advanced option. Scroll down. Optional updates. If you go ahead and any updates found here, go ahead and install them. Okay, that's it. Then go search menu, type device DEVIC manager, device manager, open it up. Go to device adapter. If you have here your device, right click, update driver, browse my computer for driver. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. I recommend selecting the manufacturer one over a generic driver. Click next. After finishing this, go ahead and restart your PC. Thanks for watching my videos, guys. If you hit the like button, I will happy more. Today or tomorrow I will be happy. That's it guys, today's video. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching.